So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create KPI on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now guys, select the first website. Now you have to log into your account right here. Now click on this profile picture icon. Now choose this Access Zoho CRM. Now guys, you have to click on this settings icon. Now choose motivator option and select this access motivator button. After coming on this page, you guys can see the KPI option right here. Now click on the create KPI button. And after coming on this page, you have to fill all of these details and select the modes like give your name to your KPI, select your module, which can be anything, lead, contact, anything like that. After that, you have to select record selection, and after selecting all of these details, you just have to click on this button right here called save, and then your KPI successfully created on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to create KPI on Zoho CRM. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.